Exploration. This is part 2 of the previous video uploaded, which was the 3 Little Legends. And this episode is about Lila being restored. Also, if I recorded the sound of chimes, don't mind it. It's just I just dislike editing. After Lila's exhibition was over, she was put in this place where she was abandoned. But eventually, a gust of wind made her push this, causing it to fall over on her. When cleaning up the mess, they found the little engine in perfect condition. Am I recording? Yes. In front of Lila was a ramp going up to a flatbed. And a face that looked like an engine pulled up. Waiting to hook up. They waiting to go. It connected to the flatbed, but this was actually not an engine, but engines. These were 2 conjoined twins, Tom and Rolt. And Lila was confused. "Who are you?" she said. Tom and Rolt said, "I'm Tom," Tom said. And Rolt said, "And I'm Rolt. We are a fairly locomotive. We will restore you and fix you. Please, get on our flatbed." "Okay," Lila said. And although it was difficult due to her bad traction from being abandoned, she successfully got up. Coupled up, they were ready, and then they set off. They had to puff carefully, as the chains were old and could snap. Tom said to Lila, "Don't worry, you'll get repainted." When they were there, once they were at their destination, they got another ramp so Lila could get off. Lila, overjoyed to get on the rails again, did so. They said to Lila, "Lila, you need to repainted." She was like, "Why?" It's because you need to change match your livery. You don't look like the others. Lila complied, although she knew that she said, "All right, but that was kind of racist," she said. So they began repainting her. They changed her red to a military green, and her line was no longer black. It was now a beautiful golden yellow. But they painted the entirety of her green and yellow, even her side lines. But then they painted her number yellow. And she looked spick and span. But when they trialed her for chuffing tests, she did not do so well. It was due to her piston. So they replaced her rods and her cylinder with a drive system. This allowed her to chuff so much better. Spick and span. It's for complying. We're allowing you to run our main line. Why? It's because it hasn't been ran in many years. She was ready. Lila was proud and proceeded and prepared for her coaches. There. Now they loosened the coupling so it wouldn't cause them to bug out. They removed the chain so the collision layers and remove the rope, but didn't replace it. Right, seeing her coaches, she bumped into them. And these were, and the reason why she agreed when she saw them and agreed to run their main line is because the livery of the coaches reminded her of her old railway. Ready to go, Lila set off. But they found that coach number 4 was not coupled upright, and the brake van pushed it, and so it could couple up. Ding. And they set off. And she now runs her railway's main line, but she has her own branch line that she runs when she's not so busy. Bum 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 bum.